Mutino Uria nyitiriire rekodi ya thĩ mahenya-inĩ ma marathon arahurũkire Kuuma na Mutino wa Barabara. Thutha ũthuthuria gwĩkwo, Kelvin Kiptum arahurũkire nĩ Nguraro Njuru cia Mutwe.
I'm through with the postmortem of the body of the late Kelvin Kiptum. Kelvin was a 24-year-old gentleman who it was alleged that he was involved in a fatal motor vehicle accident. Following the allegations, there were so many issues that led us to come here and perform the postmortem to find out what happened. So upon doing the postmortem, the finding was as follows. First of all, what we found that the late Kelvin had severe head injuries. There were severe skull fractures, which were mainly at the base of the skull. The spinal cord had intruded into the cranial cavity because of the fractures. Further to that, there were some fractures on the ribs, both sides. On the left side, the first, second, and third rib were fractured, and on the right side, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and seventh ribs were fractured. There are also what is called contusions on the lungs, meaning that there were also injuries to the lungs. So what actually killed the late Kelvin was severe head injuries, which when I look at them, they look more of something which was caused by a motor vehicle accident.
Nama adoni mareyumiririe niguo kumugira uhoro Kelvin Kiptum mwena wa Iten. Igogona Riakumuhurukia Rikanyita gukanyita Itemi muthi wa Ruciu gwake muciĩ na Iberi. Mwero uri mutongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto athanire nyũmba ĩyo ya
Muthii, the Secretary General for YK27. YK27 is Youth for Kenya 27, and we want to, as we mourn Kelvin Kiptum, we want to celebrate him for being the youngest world record marathoner at the age of 23 or 24. We want to, as we mourn him, we also want to celebrate. We want to celebrate him, and we celebrate him by urging our leaders, the President William Ruto and our Governor Jonathan B, to really support our sportsmen and women by ensuring that the sporting facilities in Uasin Gishu County is constructed and given an efficient and proper sporting facilities. And we are happy that the Kipchoge Keino and the 64 stadium, that the President and His Excellency the Governor are really expediting for its completion. Governor wa County ya Elgeyo Marakwet, Wesley Rotich, augite ni makuhe bara ĩmwe rĩtwa rĩa Kelvin Kiptum arĩ ta njĩra ya kũmũririkana. Na kuwa mwena wa mũtongoria wa mbeũ njĩthĩ County ya Uasin Gishu nĩacokeirie ngatho mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa meyumĩririe nĩguo kũmugira ũhoro Kelvin Kiptum.
Jina naitwa Kelvin, rais wa vijana hapa Uasin Gishu County. Tuko hapa leo kama vijana wa Uasin Gishu County kuomboleza mwenzetu ambaye aliaga dunia kutoka accident. Na leo, siku ya leo tumetembea hapa Uasin Gishu County kutoka huko pale Baratam, tukakuja tukamalizia hapa Koroshot. Na sisi kama viongozi wa YK27 tumekuja kusimama na Kelvin Kiptum na vijana wote hapa Uasin Gishu County wameungana nasi. Kutoka kule Elgeyo Marakwet, kutoka kule Nandi wamekuja hapa kuomboleza na sisi ili tuwashe candles kwa kijana mwenzetu. Otherwise sisi kama YK27 tunapenda kushukuru vijana wale wote walikuja kukaa pamoja nasi.